Hey guys, in this video I will teach you past continuous tense. It's mean the action was going on at that time. The rule is here for positive, negative, interrogative and negative plus interrogative. The sun was shining yesterday. I was thinking. He was playing last night. Look at this picture. They were watching the sun earlier. It wasn't raining when we were out. Was I playing football? Were you lifting weights? What were you doing? I was boxing. What were you doing? I was cycling. What were you doing? I was shopping. I would like to ask you a question in past continuous tense. Which game were you playing last night? Give your answer in a comment box. I am waiting. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.